Cashiers are always complimenting me for the way I use my rewards cards, or the way I organize them rather. They come perforated so that you can throw them on a ring, but you can't really see them all that well. And I don't know, I just don't like it. So with a bit of nice clear packing tape and scissors, I found a different solution. We're going to lay down some tape, sticky side up. I used something to hold it on one end. And then we're going to carefully take our cards and center them as well as we can on top. And we want to leave a gap of 2 or 3 millimeters between each card. And I'm kind of rolling the card onto it so that there's not going to be any bad air bubbles on the other side. And then next up, we're going to take another piece of tape, sticky side down, and get it from the top. Trying to line it up as well as we can with the original piece of tape. And there we go. We're ready for trimming. You can see the gaps are so that we can fold these over. And it's all good to go. And now, just behind my wallet, which can still fold shut, yes, it's tattered, I know, I've been using it for years. But behind the cash, I have this, and I get up and I just fold it over, and let them scan whichever one they need.